Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. Alternator is having issues charging the battery. I like to make diagnostics quick and simple. I do not like to start tearing things apart. I do not have to do. The first thing I did is I tested the battery. The battery turned out to be good. As you can see, the voltage on the alternator is 4.35, 37, which is accurate. But if I play with this plug back here, ran by the computer, it's going down. The alternator is doing nothing. This one goes to the computer. Computer, battery. Now it's back to normal. This is just a mechanic tip. Check the connections to the alternators. They could be going bad. They do just deteriorate and etc. etc. Keep your diagnostics simple before tearing out and changing parts. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.